You are going to love the 2021 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a 3-cylinder and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, black door handles, inside you'll find Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, compass, Ford Bronco, interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.